Hello and welcome to another fun and exciting point of sale related video. The purpose of this video is to give a brief overview of the supplier purchase planning part of the cloud retailer point of sale software. As a reminder, this video is not intended to be formal training, but just to give you a brief overview, and then you can obtain a more in-depth demo and or training. So to access this part of Cloud Retailer, we go to Tools, we go to Supplier Purchase Planning, and we can see a list. And let's go ahead and create a new one so you can get a feel for what the screen looks like. And what we have here is the ability to choose which locations we're going to be doing this for, as well as which suppliers. One of the quickest and easiest ways here is just to calculate our quantity to order. And we can do that based on reorder points or based on past sales. Don't know how many sales have gone through this particular demo version of Cloud Retailer, but hey, let's give it a shot. Let's try based on past sales. And go ahead and calculate. And it looks like, yeah, we didn't have much, but you kind of get the feel here for what would happen aside from some Bud Light sales, which I'm responsible for. There doesn't look like we've sold that much, but you can see how it would populate and then give us the ability. Oh, we sold some pineapple hard cider too. And lots of water. That's on me too. I use bottled water quite a bit in the demos. Anyway, you get the idea here. Really helps automate the creation of the purchase orders down here. So it saves you some time, helps you with the planning, but still gives you that flexibility to override, maybe of seasonal items, things like that. So there you go. That's a very brief overview. There'll be contact information in the video description for more information, and thanks for watching.